Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing my Ipsy bag unbagging, and I did already look inside just because I wanted to see if there were any products that I could use on camera, and there were really only two, but I did try out some of the products. This is the bag this month. It's a gym theme. So there's a card in here and it says game face, blah, 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 blah. What will you conquer? Fill in the blank on the flip side of this card, post it on social, and tag Ipsy and Ipsy Game Face. Cheer on other Ipsters. So I will conquer, I'm not sure what, because it is 2:30 a.m. My hair is like a frizzy, curly mess because I just let it dry on its own, and I had to pull back all of this because it's just like a disaster and back. And yeah, so anyway, I washed my face and everything, got ready for bed, and then proceeded to put on makeup, which is just the smartest thing ever. But anyway, okay, first thing in the bag is the first thing that I used, and it's a Dermalect product, a microfacial exfoliating mask, and it's a multi-brightening complex, instantly restores dull, lackluster looking skin to luminous and radiant. So I massaged it into my face. It's like, yeah, exfoliating. It just feels like an exfoliator. It's a weird kind of mask. So massage it into your skin, leave it on for 12 minutes, and then kind of massage it off. And you can't see anymore, but I was really, really red right in here. And it's not from makeup covering it, it's just time has gotten rid of it. But yeah, my face is sensitive, but it's not that sensitive. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to try this a few more times and see if I really like it. I'm not really sure. Masks can do weird things to me, so especially if it's got the exfoliating action going on, because there's usually chemical things going on at the same time. So then if there's a physical exfoliant, it is just a little too harsh for me. But I don't know. We shall see. And I have no idea what the value of any of this is. Ipsy is $10 a month. That's with shipping and everything. Generally the bags are like $40 to $50 in value, I would say, from what I've figured out in the past. So, and since these aren't even full sizes, I don't know what they're actually worth. Anyway, the next guy that I used is, I don't even know how to say it. It's a serum. It says Balance Hydrating and Calming Serum, and it is this brand. There we go. Ignore my chip in my nail. It's time to redo them. My fiance had surgery. He blew his knee out last week, and he had surgery today, and so I've been doing a lot more than I usually am, and I've been a lot more stressed. Like, I've been picking at my nail polish. I totally just picked that off completely. So yeah, and plus my nails are breaking, so my nails just look awful. But I was not going to do my nails just for a video. I can't be that devoted. So anyway, I put this on after I tried the mask, and it says that it's hydrating and calming. I don't know if it's just because my skin was already so sensitive from the mask that it wasn't going to calm it down right away, because I did end up using maracuja oil, which is calming also, and that didn't do any good really, other than hydrate my skin, which is what this did not do, even though it claims to. My skin felt really soft and really great after using it, but it like felt moisturized kind of, but it definitely wasn't moisturized. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. I know it's, you know, just a serum, but when it says hydrating, I expect it to hydrate. Then I got this guy from Seraphine Botanicals. It's a raisin and cream long-lasting creamy lip stain. And it looks like this. It's just a crayon. And it was already open when I went to take the plastic off, so I mean, I guess that was good for me because I hate taking the plastic off, but oh, that's another thing. This guy is cruelty-free. I'm not sure about the serum, but this one is vegan. Yeah, vegan and not tested on animals. We had little bunnies, and this one says vegan on it. So, anyway, I don't have anything on my lips, so I'm going to try this guy out. So, we'll see what the color even looks like. Okay. Not hating it. Not at all. I love lip crayons. They just go on so easily. Alright. I'm liking this color. It's not the color that I thought it would be from looking at this, and especially from looking at the outer packaging, but it's still definitely a good color, and it's extremely creamy. My lips are really dry, so they might look awful, but I promise that it's really creamy and it's really nice. So yeah, again, that was from Seraphine Botanicals. Long-lasting creamy lip stain. And I don't know about the color. Raisin and cream must be the color. So there you go. Alright, there are 2 products left. And one of them I'm really excited about. They go together, kind of. The first one is a brush. A pretty sparkly purple brush. Where is it from? Oh my gosh, I really can't even read that. Something Glam. 136. It's got 2 little jewels there, and it's just a nice fluffy tapered brush. I am going to use it as a highlighter brush. It doesn't say anything about it. That's the thing with Ipsy. Everybody gets something completely different, so you don't know. Like, they can't put a card in there like they do with BoxyCharm or Glossy Box or anything like that, because they actually do go based on your profile, which is really nice. But they can't fill out a separate card for every single person, obviously. So, anyway. So yeah, I have this guy, and I am going to put it on my next product with that brush. I got, and this is something, it's like a cult favorite, and it's something I've never owned, never even tried before. And it's a sample of Mary Luminizer. So I'm excited to try it and see what it looks like. I haven't even swatched it yet. So I'll do that first. Where is it? There it is. Right, going all the way down here. It's a really nice, subtle glow. Except for 2 products, I got the same items that Kathleen Lights got, and she said that it's a really perfect, like, wedding highlight. So we'll see what I think of it. Does it smell like anything? No. I don't know why I smell my makeup. Yeah, I can't do that in the camera. We'll put it on this way. Whoa! I was not expecting that. Not at all. Use this to side the end to buff it out a little bit. Wow. Compared to nothing. And then that. Okay. I can see why people really like this. It's really pretty. And it's subtle, but it's also in your face at the same time. It's really weird. I mean, granted, I probably put on too much, but hey. Is there such thing as too much highlighter? I don't know. That is so gorgeous. Okay, I'm just gonna finish highlighting my face. I feel so like white and pasty because this isn't another day that I didn't wear foundation. I just put concealer on under my eyes and kind of brought it down to cover some of the redness from the mask. And yeah, so I just feel like I'm really colorful here, but I'm really white right there. And that's really everywhere I put my highlighter. So, I really like my Ipsy bag this month. And the one thing about it is this is the first month since I've had Ipsy, which is for a while now, that I did not look at the sneak peek. So when it came today, everything was a complete surprise, which was actually really cool. It was really hard for me not to look, especially since they send you an email, and at the bottom of the email for shipping, and at the bottom of the email, the tops of the first two products like kind of show a little bit. So I like covered it up real fast, and then when I was checking my tracking again yesterday, I just like put my hand over my phone and I'm just like, okay, where is it? And yeah, anyway, so to go over it, this is the bag, which I think is fun. I didn't know if I would like it when I first saw the picture of it, but I think I like it now. I got the Dermalect facial mask and the Lue, I have no idea, Balance Hydrating and Calming Serum. I got the Seraphine Botanicals lip crayon that is on my lips right now. It's kind of a bold color, but that could be because I don't have a lot of color in my face. I don't know. And then I got this brush, which, let's see. If anybody can read that with the, there we go. I can't read it just because I'm old and I need reading glasses and I can't see it, so I don't know why I just told you all that, but anyway. And then I got the Mary Luminizer sample. So I'm really, really happy with my bag, and let me know down in the comments what you got in your Ipsy bag and if you liked it, if you got some of the same products as me, and give this a thumbs up if you liked it, and I hope you consider subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Forgot the peace. It's so late. I have to go to bed. Bye, guys.